What's going on, Fit Pros? So today I want to tell you why you need to niche down if you want to dominate your market. So when you're getting started, yeah, you're going to take on whoever you can, whenever you can, because you got to make money, that's obvious. But once you become a little bit more developed in your career, you want to niche down. But what I mean by that is picking one type of person to serve. You know, think about who you want to work with first, because whoever you want to work with, it's totally possible. Do you want to work with women? Do you want to work with kids? Do you want to work with elderly people? Do you want to work with athletes? You got to pick who that person is and start marketing to them, all right? Think about it for a second. If you're a contest prep coach, right, and you're helping bikini competitors, you're gonna be posting girls who are in shape to great shape. Think about a weight loss client who's got 50 or 60 pounds to lose. They're gonna look at your page, immediately see it and think, hey, this shit is not for me, all right? So once you niche down, all right, your content is gonna attract that ideal customer. And you're gonna be working with who you wanna work with. You gotta be known for something. How are you gonna stick out? There's 30 trainers in this gym, right, that I'm out right now. And you gotta be known for something if you wanna stand out in the marketplace. So niching down is gonna help you stand out, dominate, and just elevate your whole entire career. So if you're having trouble niching down, think about who you currently help, who you know you can help, and who you wanna help. And once you find a balance of the three, that's gonna be your niche.